how to find WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you find WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. So let's get started. First, you have to open Google Drive on your device. Alright, after you open Google Drive, at the top left corner, you'll have to tap on three lines. From the section, if you have any backup on your WhatsApp from your Google Drive, you can easily get options like backup from here. So simply tap on that backup option. Alright, after you tap on that backup option, you'll get this type of interface. From here, you can easily find WhatsApp backup on the section other backup, and from the section to delete or turn it off, you'll have to tap on three lines. And from the section, as usual, you can delete or turn off the backup from Google Drive. So this is the easiest and simplest method to find WhatsApp backup on Google Drive. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.